Dear viewers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving deep into how blockchain technology is revolutionizing the world of intellectual property rights. A new dawn for creators and innovators. For centuries, creators and innovators have relied on traditional systems to protect their valuable intellectual property. Patents, trademarks, and copyrights, often secured through lengthy legal processes, serve as safeguards against infringement. However, these systems are not without their flaws. Disputes over ownership, slow and costly litigation, and the persistent threat of piracy highlight the vulnerabilities of traditional IP protection. Enter blockchain, a revolutionary technology with the potential to reshape the landscape of intellectual property rights. Imagine a world where ownership is irrefutable, transactions are transparent, and creators have greater control over their work. Blockchain promises just that, offering a new dawn for creators and innovators seeking to protect and monetize their creations. This essay delves into the transformative power of blockchain in the realm of intellectual property. We will explore the fundamentals of this groundbreaking technology, examine its impact on IPR, and delve into real-world examples of its application. Furthermore, we will address the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead as blockchain continues to evolve and disrupt traditional systems. Chapter 2. A simple explanation. At its core, a blockchain is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger. Picture a digital record of transactions replicated across multiple computers rather than stored in a single location. This distributed nature makes blockchain incredibly secure and resistant to tampering. Each transaction, or block, is linked to the previous one, forming a chronological chain. This interconnectedness ensures data integrity, as any alteration to one block would require changing all subsequent blocks. Think of it like a historical record where each entry is permanently linked to the one before it. This inherent security and transparency make blockchain ideally suited for managing and protecting intellectual property. By leveraging blockchain technology, creators and innovators can establish indisputable proof of ownership, track the provenance of their work, and streamline licensing agreements. Chapter 3. Immutable proof and transparent ownership. One of the most compelling aspects of blockchain for IPR lies in its ability to provide immutable proof of ownership. When a creator registers their work on a blockchain, a timestamped record of their ownership is created and added to the ledger. This record is permanent, transparent, and accessible to all parties, eliminating any ambiguity surrounding ownership claims. This transparency extends beyond ownership. Blockchain can track the entire life cycle of a creative work, from its creation to distribution and subsequent use. Imagine a musician uploading their latest song to a blockchain-based platform. Each time the song is streamed, downloaded, or used commercially, a record of that transaction is added to the blockchain, providing a clear and auditable trail of its usage. This level of transparency fosters trust and accountability within the creative ecosystem. Creators can monitor how their work is being used, ensuring proper attribution and payment for their creations. Additionally, the immutability of blockchain records makes it incredibly difficult for infringers to dispute ownership or claim ignorance of copyright laws. Chapter 4. Streamlining transactions, smart contracts for efficient licensing. Beyond ownership and provenance, blockchain introduces the concept of smart contracts, self-executing agreements written in code and stored on the blockchain. These contracts automate the licensing process, making it more efficient and cost-effective for both creators and licensees. Imagine a photographer wanting to license an image for commercial use. Using a blockchain platform, they can create a smart contract that outlines the terms of the license, including the price, duration of use, and any restrictions. Once the licensee agrees to the terms and makes the payment, the smart contract automatically grants them access to the image file. This automated approach eliminates the need for intermediaries, reduces administrative overhead, and ensures timely payments to creators. Smart contracts also minimize the risk of disputes, as the terms of the agreement are clearly defined and enforced through code. Next up, we discuss blockchain in action for IPR. The transformative potential of blockchain is already being realized in various sectors. Platforms like Binded, Mongraph, and Proof of Existence allow artists to register their work on a blockchain, providing irrefutable proof of ownership and enabling them to track their creations online. Beyond individual creators, major companies are also embracing blockchain for IPR management. For instance, IBM has developed a blockchain-based platform for patent licensing, streamlining the process and reducing the time and cost associated with traditional methods. Similarly, pharmaceutical giant Pfizer is exploring the use of blockchain to combat counterfeit drugs by tracking their supply chain from manufacturing to distribution. These real-world examples highlight the tangible benefits of blockchain for intellectual property. As adoption grows and the technology matures, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge, further revolutionizing how we create, protect, and monetize intellectual property. Chapter 6 deals with challenges and opportunities navigating the evolving landscape. While blockchain holds immense promise for IPR, it is essential to acknowledge the challenges and opportunities that come with any transformative technology. One key challenge is the need for wider adoption. For blockchain to reach its full potential, it requires buy-in from creators, licensees, and industry stakeholders alike. Furthermore, the regulatory landscape surrounding blockchain and IPR is still evolving. Governments and regulatory bodies worldwide are grappling with how to best address the unique challenges and opportunities presented by this nascent technology. Clear legal frameworks are crucial for fostering innovation and ensuring the responsible development of blockchain-based IPR solutions. Despite these challenges, the future of blockchain for IPR is bright. As the technology matures and awareness grows, we can expect to see increased adoption, improved scalability, and the emergence of new and innovative applications. Chapter 7: Blockchain's transformative potential for IPR. Blockchain technology represents a paradigm shift in the way we perceive and manage intellectual property. Its ability to provide immutable proof of ownership, enhance transparency, and streamline licensing has the potential to empower creators, foster innovation, and unlock the full value of intellectual property. As we navigate the evolving landscape of blockchain and IPR, it is crucial to embrace the opportunities presented by this transformative technology. By fostering collaboration, promoting education, and developing clear regulatory frameworks, we can harness the power of blockchain to create a more equitable, efficient, and secure future for intellectual property rights. The journey has just begun, and the possibilities are limitless. Let us embrace the transformative potential of blockchain and usher in a new era of innovation and creativity, where intellectual property rights are protected, respected, and valued like never before.